Real-time scenario. Calculating average amount of closed-won opportunities in Salesforce. Imagine a scenario in Salesforce where you need to calculate the average amount of all closed-won opportunities for each account. You have a collection of opportunity records associated with different accounts, and you want to aggregate the amounts to determine the average for each account. You have a list of opportunities with associated account IDs, and you need to efficiently calculate and store the average amount for each unique account. Here's a solution using Salesforce Collections. We'll use a public Apex class named accountAverageCalculator. This class has a method called calculateAverageMount. This method calculates the average amount for closed-won opportunities for each account. It takes a list of opportunity objects as input. The method uses two maps, accountTotalMap to store the total amount for each account, and accountCountMap to store the count of closed-won opportunities for each account. It iterates through the list of opportunities, checks if the opportunity's stage name is closed-won, and the accounted is not null. It then updates accountTotalMap and accountCountMap with the total amount and count for each account. The method then calculates the average amount for each account and stores it in accountAverageMap. It iterates through the keys of accountTotalMap, checks if the count for the account is greater than 0, and then calculates the average amount for each account. For testing purposes, there's a method called execute and print. This method doesn't take any parameters or return any value. It queries the first 10 opportunities as sample data, calls the calculateAverageAmount method with the sample data, and prints the result to the debug logs. This code is designed to be used in the Salesforce environment, specifically for calculating and printing the average amount of closed-won opportunities for each account based on a provided list of opportunities. It guards against null accounted values to prevent null pointer exceptions. Now, you can efficiently calculate and store the average amount for each unique account.